NDTV. And if I can request all of you to give your opening remarks about what is your agenda for the new Lok Sabha.
Well, thank you so much. What a joy, what an honor, and what a privilege for me. I thank God and praise God for giving me and also the party, which is a very young party, the Voice of the People Party, which just started less than 3 years ago. And it was really, the work of God, I would say, to defeat the party which is in government. And so we have a number of agenda, to present before the country. Agenda like coming from a state which is a small state and a state where most of the people are indigenous people, and where we really need to be protected, in this big ocean. And we as a party, we believe that a nation like us, which is so diverse, and yet in spite of this diversity, we are proud that India is one.